Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Karen K. Rush, Amazing K, and I celebrate every day. And today is November, just the month of November, because the whole month of November is, guess what? National Vegan Month. Yay! So, National Vegan Month is all month long, and earlier this month, myself, my sister, some business partners, and some friends of mine, we went to a vegan workshop, and it was given by Miss Marlene Harper at the Lincoln Branch Library. It's a lot of good things happening at the Lincoln Branch. You guys should look it up, because those librarians are keeping people in the community in the know. So we went to the vegan workshop, and we talked about changing your lifestyle, vegan, eating healthy, and it's all about the taste. And since I love vegetables, I think it wouldn't be too much of a change because it's about the taste. So what we had there, what they served, was smoked carrot dogs, like hot dogs. If you like hot dogs, you'll like smoked carrot dogs. So I thought I would try the recipe today, since it is National Vegan Month for the month of November. And I have this marination sauce, and it is I'm calling marinating sauce. And this is what you put the carrots in. So you take the carrots, let me see. The carrots have to be boiled first, and you boil them till you stick a fork in them, and then you put them in the sauce. So these are the boiled carrots, and this is the sauce. Now, what is this sauce made of? It is made of lots of things that's flavorful. The first thing is liquid smoke. Okay, you start with a 1/4 cup of liquid smoke, and then of course a cup of water, and then of course 1 teaspoon of Braggs Amino, liquid amino, Braggs, and then also you have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Now I know that's just pancake syrup, but maple syrup it'll do. Okay, and also you have a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, and you have a garlic powder. So a teaspoon of garlic powder. Where's my garlic powder? I got everything right here. What happened? Did I put it away? Yep, I probably did. So actually you're supposed to have garlic powder and onion powder, but guess what? I found them both together. So that's what we have. And also you have mustard. Now, I think I was probably supposed to use powdered mustard or dried mustard, but I used the regular mustard, but it's floating around in here, as you can see. See that? See that? That's the mustard floating around. So I think I was supposed to, because the rest of the things are dried spices. I'm for a funny story about one of my co-workers. She's not like a cook like me. She's not like a cook. I'm not a cook either. But she had a recipe that called for dried mustard. And she was like, dried mustard? Where do I get dried mustard? She didn't know it was a spice. She was thinking, oh, maybe I'm supposed to get the crust, the dried up mustard that's around here, and put it in. It was so funny. We laughed about that for months. But anyway, mustard. I'm not sure if it's dried or wet, but I use wet. I guess you could use dried too. And also Braggs apple cider vinegar. So that's what all of this is in here, in this marinating sauce. And then you just put the carrots in here, and you know what? You have to let it marinate overnight so the flavor can get in it. And then tomorrow we will have the carrots, the carrot dogs. Now, I did have them at the library, and they did taste good. But I'm going to see what mine tastes like. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to make sure that it marinates overnight. Where's my little top here? So I will put this recipe in the description. And if you guys want that, it's going to be good. So here we go. Got the carrots in here marinating overnight. And then tomorrow we'll come back and have some with the hot dog buns. I got wheat buns. We got mustard, we got ketchup. We're gonna have some carrot dogs, y'all. All right, be bold, be blessed, be you. But I'll be back. Bye-bye. Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Karen K. Rush, and I celebrate every day. What's your superpower? So listen, it is time for us to do part 2 of the hot dog. No, carrot dog, okay? So, yesterday we had to do it, marinate, oil the carrots, and make the marination. And here it is, out of all those ingredients and everything. Oh, this smells so good. And then the carrots had to stay in here overnight. So, I'm just here to tell you, my sister and I have been eating on these carrot dogs all day because they are delicious. They are delicious. And you don't even need to have the condiments. But we got them right here. You know, you always want to have ketchup, mustard, and relish on your hot dog. So same with the corn dog. I mean the carrot dog. But I have 2 here. I put it in half. I have one with, I'm going to eat just without it. I'm going to actually put some of this marinade sauce on it. Marinated sauce on it. Because you don't even need it. I just want to tell you how good it is. Mmm. The overnight marinating is the flavor. It's just so here. Tastes just like a hot dog. It's so good. Guys, this is good. And it's healthy. Nutritious and delicious. Nutritious and delicious. Oh, and here, I don't even know if I want to put this in here, but just to do because I like ketchup. Just to show you, you can do it that way too. You warm it up. You can warm it up in the air fryer, or you can warm it up in the skillet. But I'm going to just put a little. This is good, guys. So, here's the recipe. Thank you again to Miss Harper for sharing this recipe. I don't know where she got it from, but I'm giving her credit. And think about other things that you can do. I'm going to use this marination sauce for something else. What other kind of vegetables can we put in here? Because it's delicious. And nutritious is delicious. Don't forget, this is National Vegetarian Week. So I may come back here with some more vegetables since it's Vegetarian Week. It's also Educational Week. It's also Entrepreneurship Month. All right? Oh, right. It's not week for vegetarian. It's Vegetarian Month. See that? So listen, guys. Go ahead, like, tag, comment, and share. I want to hear about if you're going to try these. And if you have tried them before, what's your take on them? And also, don't forget, we still have the contest going on. If you want to win a 2-night, 3-day getaway at a hotel, holidays is coming, maybe you just want to get away, go ahead and invite 3 people to subscribe to this channel. This channel is awesome. I'm not just saying it because I'm amazing, because I am Amazing K, but you can find out nice, amazing things on it. So go ahead, get 3 people to subscribe, but they got to put in the comments that they subscribe because of you. When they put your name on there, your name's going to go in a drawing, and then you can win in the raffle, the drawing, 2 nights, 3 days vacation stay at a hotel of your choice. Be bold, be blessed, be you. When I say you, I mean your original uniqueness, because you're all unique and you all have something to bring to the table. So don't ever forget that, and don't ever let anybody tell you anything different, because you know the truth. I owe you your original uniqueness. Bye-bye. I'm Amazing K, and I approve this message. Bye-bye. This episode of Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K was sponsored by Rush Travels and Adventures. We show you how you can save money and earn money on the business side of travel. If that's something you want to know more about, give us a call, because we can help you develop your financial future all over the world. We can change your life for the rest of your life and beyond. Rush Travels and Adventures.